You know, I would be an usher in my early teens, ushering colourful Holocaust survivors to their seat. And, you know, I still remember the funny stories of people sitting in a seat and a young man saying to them, "Excuse me, you can't sit here, this is somebody else's seat." In Yiddish, they would very quickly tell me that, you know, ich sitz du, sollen sie sitzen ergens anders. And I say, was geht nicht so in Theater? And I would get lessons from all walks of life. People would call me over and say, ich kann da nicht sitzen. And I say, was kannst du da nicht sitzen da? Weil sie do a piano. And we used to have a grand piano in the corner. And they'd call me over and I'd say, ich bin allergic to pianos. And as a 14-year-old processing that sort of humour, I really did struggle.